Hi guys, for today's video, reset natin to Tecno Spark 6 Go. Ayan, kita may pattern. Bako tayo. Off muna natin. Then press natin tong volume up and power switch. Sabay natin yan pe-press. Yan, sabay. Ayaw ata. Tapos bitawan nyo yung power switch. Hold nyo yung power volume button. Yan, no command lalabas. No command guys ha. Then click nyo tong power switch tsaka sabay rin uli. Click lang. Then wipe data, factory reset using volume down. To continue, press power switch. Ayan, then reboot. Ganun lang kasimple yan guys.